I am Mariam Khalid and today we are going to discuss land information system. In this, we discuss how land information system affects the basic and general information about land. First of all, we are going to discuss the introduction to the land information system. Land information system is actually a geographical system of information in which different techniques like geographic information system GIS, like arc mapping, and this kind of information is used for the betterment and the improvement in the way of land management. It is commonly used by government for a local area. It is actually used to store recent and most appropriate and applicable land record. Registration system and cadastral system are the main part of the land information system. In this chapter, I would like to discuss about the cadastral system. There are team of professionals that import all the rules of procedure for land information system, such as in land use, what is the land value and applicable for all administrator in order to maintain and manage land report. In this chapter and in this course, we are going to discuss all about how to reduce land dispute by using present and modern techniques such as geographic information system, by understanding how it works and its classification type, and how to use different register system. It will lead to create proper land management system that will bring a better way of how to manage land and monitoring system. It also help in the suitable development and acquisition of land parcel. This is the basic introduction to the land information system. In this, now we are able to understand what is land information system. By moving forward, we are going to discuss why we need land information system, why it is important to have a land information about the land parcels, and how to manage it. The resource of land is actually given to the mankind is limited, and due to the process of urbanization, the population density increase, due to which burden on the earth's surface or the land which is available to human beings are increases. So in order to manage land and to use it in more efficient way, there is a need of a proper land information system. So in this way, it is easy and more reliable way to understand the basic part of the land use and the hurdles in the land management. Information related to land can be helpful in making decisions that are related to the process of development, because information related to land minimize error in land management. Okay, if we think then we came to know that all the things are directly and indirectly linked to the earth surface. That is why the land surface, the earth surface, is the most important thing and most important resource for the man, especially for the mankind. So to understand the basic importance and to manage it in more better way, we reach land information system. Moving forward, we are going to discuss the main objectives of the land information system, why we include and why we study this course. It is actually land information system is providing a more better and more comprehensive techniques and application to maintain and manage land reports. In this course, we will also discuss how to reduce land disputes by using present and modern techniques such as geographic information system, by understanding how it works, its classification type, and how to use different register system. This will lead to create a proper land management system. So one of the basic process of land information system is to provide a better land management system to avoid hurdles in the development process. As Pakistan is a developing country, so we need a better land management system, which directly depends upon the amount of information the amount of information which is available to us. So land information is indirectly or directly connected to the land management or development. Moving forward, we are going to discuss The information related to the land can be helpful in making decisions that are related to the process of development. As I mentioned earlier, because information related to land minimize error in land management system. All the things are directly linked to the Earth's surface is known as land covers, such as areas, lakes, lateral vegetation, construction sites, space, and all other spaces on Earth are directly called as Earth's surface. Land is very important ownership of mankind. It is very significant element of any country as well as Pakistan, because Pakistan is a developing country and here we need a more development plan. So making a better development plannings in urbanization and in urban developing, we need more and better and applicable land information system. So this for this process we are using different GIS techniques and others geographic spatial temporal techniques to manage land in a better way. Get all the things that are directly linked to the surface is known as land covers. Okay, without land no nation can survive. So point to the border and to think is that the development of the country and its monetary advancement are dependent on the condition of the land and its uses. The openness of advantages depend upon charge arrangement. It is clear now that all these line any information concerning that is not worthy information which feels is in a key to cash related Avengers business industry and cultivating. Next we are going to discuss the importance of land. Before we need the learning outcomes of the course, it is important to discuss why land is so much important for us, because it is construction sites, building, open space, and all other spaces on the earth surface is included in the land. On the terms of geography, in the result of any geographical and morphological process, the land space is formed. In term of economic, land is the best source all production in economic and is a direct source of development. Tenure is a legal based on the contract and also a form of agreement in which any individual, organization, and even group of individuals get hold and access to the benefit of the land. This includes broad the social benefit as well as the economic benefits. Both these benefits are for those who hold these land parcels or who is the owner of the land. As we move forward, it is clear along these lines that any information concerning land is not worthy information, which fills in a key to cash related Avengers, business, industry, and cultivating. Now, standing the way, land is a bit of man's ordinary inheritance. Access to land is compelled by ownership structure. Land is cultivated by administrative and regulatory processes, and it is also used and changed in a store way. Land information is actually a basic prime information for choosing decision related to land adventure improvement and for the broad. Information diminish powerlessness by helping with recognize and analyze issue. Land is a very important ownership of mankind. It is very significant element of any country, and for choosing land information is a basic prime choosing decision related to land ventures. Cadastral system must fill a multi-need use and thirdly address the trouble of a bleeding edge GIS and IT conditions. On the terms of geography, it is in the result of any geological and geomorphological process, the landscape is formed. In terms of economic, land is the best source. All right, we have discussed the basic importance of land and land information system. Now we're going to discuss the learning outcomes of the subjects. After learning all the things about the land information system, we are going to have this knowledge that after the completion of the course, it ensures that all the information system is land information system is one of the most powerful element of how to manage land in a better way, because it includes addition, acquisition, assembling, and addition of land parcel. So it can help in local government to make better plans for using land information and geospatial techniques, so they understand how to use land information data in more appropriate way in a practical field. database model can be dealt with to manage a land in Pakistan and easily accessible and can be achieved on practical basis. After having all the idea about the land information system, cadastry system, about tenure system, about basic process used in the land information system, we have a bright and broader view about the land management and the importance of land. About land information system, this is a basic concept that the information is capable of making the decision, or it is applicable to the current scenario and the condition of the land use. Land management system and land information system have different stages, like stage of planning, stage of policy making, stage of operation making, stage future monitoring stage. LIS includes these basic info, data storage, data maintenance, data retrievals, and also the process of data operations. Maps are used to show locational part of the data in the form of point, line, and polygon. So by learning different land information system, we are going to have a better and broad view of maps and cadastral system. Thank you. That's all.